Let's talk about a proud mommy moment.
Yeah.
I seen Marco Dean.
Yes.
He just graduated, went to his prom and stuff, and he made like a
Wow.
mini movie out of it.
Oh yes.
What was that?
I
What
have
was that like now seeing
so
him graduate and go to the prom now?
I have so much proud moments. That's why I'm not invested on what people say about me on social media because I'm so busy working on, being a mom and everything else that comes with it. I hear people talking about, oh, she's an entrepreneur, she's a philanthropist or a humanitarian, and she's this and she's that and she's this and she's that. Listen, if I am a giver and whatever else I do not let me be a giver or a humanitarian because I'm the proud recipient of IRAM Awards, humanitarian IRFM, and the list goes on and on. So at the end of the day, I'm unashamed of who I am or whatever comes with the Angel brand. I am very proud of who I am, and also I do this and beat me, feed over 1,000 people and beat me, and then they talk to me. Yeah, and that's the thing there. Feed over 1,000 people in a Jamaica, in your country, and then they come talk to me. You can't talk down to me as a humanitarian, because I hear them attack. You understand what I say? But me now look, at up the place, bomb go off. And me I go turn up and stay him, yeah, hotter than them. And me them and for each chat all you want. It's what it is. You can't rub out. It's what it is.
Yeah.
So respect is on my name. So regardless of what you think me is or whatever you don't think me is, respect the part of name. And people who are 100 recognize my name, recognize me, my voice. Oh, is that the answer? Because I feed the elderly and children, and that can't change. So it doesn't matter what other caps I may wear. None of them can rub out.
We said that's one of your proudest ones that you wear.
One of my proudest and being a mother.
Of course. That's why I brought up Marco Dean actually graduating and going to prom, because it seemed like, again, like you shot it was almost a music video for the whole song.
Yes, it was at that moment that I have to capture because Marco Dean grew up in Jamaica's eyes, like dear little Marco Dean, dear little baby, and I really kept him reserved out of the spotlight.
Okay.
For many reasons, because Marco, he grew up very humble and reserved because me raised him because I'm that human being, I'm that soul, and I just let him just bask in his own greatness in terms of his schooling, in his development, his growth, all of that. So I'm just celebrating with Marco from the graduation to the prom, and I just wanted the world to celebrate with me, and they sure did. So in the midst of it all, being a mother, I'm still being an artist, I'm still being a creative because that's how I put food on my table to make all this happen.
For sure. And is he showing any interest in entertainment or music or anything like that? Because remember, it's mom Angel, dad Beenie Man. There must be some musical DNA inside of him, but I'm not sure if he's showing it.
Marco didn't get it double dose from both parents. I mean, he's a great singer.
Okay.
The best vocals I've ever heard, not because I'm a pitney, it's just the truth. But he's taking his time. Everything is a process. He has his first song, taking your time for go record it. I just let him just lead. I don't pressure him and say, Marco, you have to go sing. No, I'm more big on education for him and making sure that he has a solid education. So fit in anywhere you put him in, suppose he can fit in. I see him showing deep interest in boxing, so I'm with him with that as well. Okay. So every journey of his life, I am supporting it. So you never know, Marco Dean may be the biggest boxer tomorrow. You just never know, but I'll be there right in the front cheering on my son because whatever he wants, I'm that mom that will support him to the end. I'm ask God for to give me long life, health and strength so I can live to see my son past the worst. That's all I'm ask God for. You understand? Besides touring the world and stepping up as a female dancehall artist and taking over this place, because my talent speaks for itself, and I'm ready for really go out there and show the world what my brand has to offer in terms of my music. So that is one of the things I ask God for. And just, watching my son till he married and settled down and all right. And, all these things and accomplish his best self,
No, definitely. And I see you guys have a really close relationship. I think it was Mother's Day or your birthday. He brought your flowers. It's like you guys have a really good relationship.
Definitely. Mommy and son it was my birthday, and I was traveling. I went away to work, and I came back on my birthday. I said, "Oh, me, my birthday I spend with my son. Me, I go home, no work, no money. Me, I go home to my child and my family." So when I went home, that was it. I was like shocked. I was like, "What? You do this for me?" Like I said, "Yeah, God, yeah, ladies and gentlemen." So I'm gonna grow my son. So I'm gonna grow him.
Definitely, that's a good thing.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.